Good morning from Grand Flying Farm. It's July 25th, 2025. It's around 9 a.m. Came down here to feed the animals. They're all waiting patiently. Somewhat. Harold's snorting at me. Yeah, dumped his water too, of course. Anyway, it's a pretty day right now. Nice blue sky. Hopefully it stays this way. Today is Friday. There's Edith. She was trying to dump the water over. Alright. Everybody's moved down to the feeding area. Feed them on this end. That way they stay away from the gates. Alright. They're a little happy. Yeah, that was an adventure. I had a fight with the pigs to fill up the dishes. They want to pour them out and stand on them and everything else as I was filling them up. So, anyway, I get the water back on. Still using a low pressure line, so this takes a lot longer, a lot more moves. But as you can see over here, where it got water this week, it's green. Everybody's set. Sally's going for a ride with me. And now it's 79 degrees, and it's after 10. Oh, there's another truck. Look, chips. Right on. I get enough here, I'll spread them out and chill them all in. So you got all that area right there needs to have chips on. Sure will help this winter. All right, another load. Yeah, I guess I should go get the tractor, move some of this. There's a evergreen stuff here. I'll put that in the lane. Yep, get busy.